Hello world, Atomic Melanie here, and I've decided to start a video blog of my adventures in attempting to have duodenal switch weight loss surgery. I'm 41 years old. I live in East Tennessee. My current BMI is 57. I'm 5'3", and my highest weight is 335 pounds, and I'm around 327 right now. I'm not diabetic, although I'm not been officially diagnosed as pre-diabetic, but I'm pretty sure I am, or pretty close to it. I have a high blood pressure. I was just diagnosed with sleep apnea, but not severe enough to where I need a CPAP just yet. Let's see, I have high blood pressure. If I didn't already say that, I take 2 medications a day for that. I've had a heart attack and I've had a stroke. All those were before I was 40. I had the stroke and the heart attack around 39. I have joint issues. My knees are shot. I've had to have back surgery. I had a lumbar fusion last year. I had really bad gallstones last year and had to have emergency gallbladder surgery. Tired all the time. And I've been overweight ever since I was around age 11, right about puberty. So I've always kind of been the funny fat friend that people have had, who they're always quick to turn to for a joke or when they need cheering up, but also the one who tends to disappear in a group whenever there's anything of any importance being done. I'm really good at disappearing, the elephant in the room, so to speak. Let's see. I'm married. I have 2 kids. They're both in high school, and I would like to be able to see them graduate. I'd like to be able to fit in the seats at the college gym to see them graduate. And after high school, my oldest son wants to go in the Marines, and I'd like to be able to see him graduate from boot camp at Paris Island. And that means I have to fly, so I want to be able to fit in the seat in the plane comfortably to fly. I've wanted to have some sort of bariatric surgery for, gosh, at least 10 years. I first went to a doctor in Knoxville, Tennessee. He had a seminar, and it was in 2006, and I went, and I thought my insurance would cover it at the time, and it didn't. It was excluded at the place where I used to work, so I couldn't get it then. It wasn't possible for me to pay out of pocket. So I got a new job a few years later, and again, the policy that we had excluded weight loss surgery and any kind of weight loss medical treatment. So it was a bust then too. So a few years after that, we looked into maybe getting a home equity loan. And with the way the economy was and the housing market and just all types of lending tanked, and it wasn't possible for us to get a home equity loan to pay out of pocket. And the price for the surgery that I want to have, the duodenal switch, or duodenal switch as some people call it, the price is about almost $26,000, and I don't have that laying around. So about the middle of this past year in 2015, my husband got a new job, and it's with an out-of-state employer, and fortunately they cover bariatric surgery and the specific procedure that I would like to have. So I was really excited and I started the process in October to get approved, and we were denied. And here it is, February. It's February 15th, and on the 12th, Friday the 12th, we were finally approved after going through appeal after appeal after appeal. And I'll get into the specifics of that in another video or two. But we're finally approved. I don't have a surgery date yet. My doctor has to receive the official approval letter from the insurance. But once they receive that, then I can get on the books for surgery once I've paid them the program fee that they require just to cover themselves. Anyway, It's been a long struggle to get here. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I've been studying all I can, but I hope to be able to do a video log, excuse me, of this. I don't want to call it a journey. A lot of people use the word journey, and I don't really see it as that, because that, I don't know, it sounds pretentious, or I don't know. It's a metamorphosis. It's a rebirth, reincarnation, whatever word you want to use. But it's going to involve some self-discovery. It's going to be changes inside and out, not just physical. And it's not physical reasons that I want to do this. I want to be able to move without being in pain all the time. I want to be able to spend some time with my family and not just plopped on the couch in front of the TV watching movies. I want to get out there with my boys and my husband. I want to hike. Many years ago, I actually worked at a skydiving school, and I want to jump. I want to go rappelling. I want to hike. I want to swim. There's so many things that I just want to do. I want to live life. I want to experience life, and not from the sidelines anymore. I want to even make it to the sidelines and sit comfortably and watch and be there. So I've seen many videos on YouTube, and I've learned a lot from people so far just by watching and lurking and keeping quiet. Same thing with some Facebook groups and online forums and whatnot. But now I finally have the courage to speak up, because I actually have an approval, and I'm ready to do this thing. So looking forward to this. Thanks for watching.